Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to tell you how to use sort function, freeze function and with some basic formulas, and after that I have two more functions for you, so make sure you watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first of all, we'll have to apply filter to this title to sort it later on. So select this title first, then go to the filter and apply filter over here. Okay, now I want to freeze my title. What do I mean by freezing is if I scroll down I cannot see which title is for which. So to freeze this title, select one cell below the title, go to view tab and select the top row. Now here we have a freeze top row, but for in our data first row, top row is for written as a sample data set. So you can just hide this first tab and there you can freeze your first row. Now you can see all the title, even if you are scrolling down here, even if you want to see the last entry of the data. And if you want to freeze first column also, so you have to unfreeze all the pane first, then select one cell below the top title and freeze pane. So you can see we have freeze all the first row and column, so you can have a proper look of the data sheet. And this thing you can do it anywhere. You just have to point out the cell and freeze from there. So just unfreeze it. If you want to freeze over here, then you just press a cell over, select a cell over there and freeze pan. Now you have freezed the data sheet. So right, for instance, I'm just unfreezing this thing and I'm saving it as a top row. Now how to sort with this filter function. This data set is having around 40 to 45 entries, and we want to know which item cost below 30. So how you can do is, you cannot go through it and you cannot know, so it's so time consuming. What you can do is you just go to unit cost, go to the filter, here you have filter, then you can choose less than or equal to, put 30 over here, and there you go. You have all the items which are cost below 30. So here you have pencil and all the things. If you go there again, clear filter, and you have all the data. So this is how sort function works. Now I'll tell you how to use some basic formulas with this. So for that you'll have to go down to the last entry. For that you can just scroll it down, or you can use command for Mac users and control for Windows user. Press command and press the downward arrow, and there you have you are at the last entry. Now I'll just delete these things first. Now you want to have a total of how many total items or units are there, then what is the total unit cost and what is the total cost. So for that, in Excel every formula starts with is equal to sign, then you type sum, use tab for that, then you have number 1, number 2, here is the query. So you can use shift and upward arrow for that, but if your data is too long, you cannot go each and every cell with this. What you can do is, I'll tell you in 1 minute. What you can do is, again is equal to, for next cell, sum, tab, then you can just select one cell and go shift command and next upward arrow. So now you have selected unit cost also, but you don't want to select it because it's not a number. So you just come one cell down and that's it. You have your sum at the bottom. And if you have number of columns with the same same function you have to use, what you can do is you just copy this formula to this. So how you can copy is, just go to the next cell and use command R, so that you'll have a same formula to the next cell. And if you want to copy the formula, copy a formula or any item in the next cell of downward, you can simply do you can simply press Command D, and for Windows user Control D. So you just have it Control D, Command D, like this. You can simply copy everything from upper first cell. Now if you want to know which item is lower, which number is lower in this data, and which number is higher in this data, so what you can do is, it's a really cool function over here. Use just is equal to minimum for minimum, use bracket and use the whole row of the data, whatever data you want to work, and close the bracket and enter. Now you have the four number over here, which is the lowest number possible in that column. And same thing with the maximum number. Maximum number is equal to max for maximum. Press tab and select the column again, complete the bracket and enter. Now you have 100 number. So here we have 100, and this is how min and max function works. And as I promised, I'll tell you two cool functions of Excel, function now and function RandBetween. So I'll just quickly jump at the next sheet, and you have to press is equal to, type now, use tab, just close the bracket without anything and press enter. Now you can know the current time and date. And next function is random between. You can ask Excel to suggest you any random number from given range. So what you have to use random between. For rand and between, you have just use tab and give the range. Bottom is smallest number of the range, and the top is the largest number of the range. So I'm giving largest number, top number is 10, and close the bracket and enter. Now you can have random numbers suggested. But the problem with this thing is when you refresh the page, the number will change like this. That's it guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.